Here today I have Pitaka's MagCase, which is for their 11 Pro Max. This is the box it comes in. This case does have two metal plates, which allows you to connect to other magnetic docks. I think Pitaka makes a couple of magnetic car docks and a dust dock that you can use with this case. So that's everything that's included in the case. So like I said, there are two metal plates somewhere inside of here, but it doesn't interfere with the wireless charging. I've had their case for my iPhone 10 for about 2 years now, and I don't have any issues with it. We do have a little raised bezel here for the camera bump to help protect it when it's laying flat down so it doesn't scratch the lenses. It is a little flexible, so taking it on and off is very easy. Simply click it in and there it is. So this is pretty low protection. It doesn't protect the front screen. But if this is the kind of case you're looking for, I love this case. It's very thin, but it does provide some protection, like in case you drop it in the corners. So it does cover all four corners. But like I said, there's no protection here on the bottom. It is going to be glass to surface, but the camera bump is protected. It's raised a little bit, so you do have that, and it does jump around, which you would expect because of the bump. All the ports are easily accessible. Shown in the case, and like I said, I've had mine on my iPhone 10 for about 2 years now, and this is how it looks. It is a little prone to smudges, but they come off right away. As you can see, this case has held up pretty well. It's not peeling or anything. I have dropped it once, as you can see here on the corner, and you know, it took the impact pretty well. So for 2 years, it's done very well. So that's why I went ahead and got the new one for my 11 Pro Max. But if you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer them.